Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. This time I'm gonna talk about why I am getting notifications when do not disturb mode is on in my iPhone. Whatever the reason, but I'm still receiving calls in an iPhone even after DND mode is on. Do not disturb mode DND mode is useful to remove all distractions coming from your iPhone. Your phone, whether you are in an important meeting or somewhere else. You can enable DND mode on your iPhone to avoid disturbing yourself and others. Sometimes you might get notifications even in active DND mode also. But we have to take a look at why you get notifications when do not disturb mode is on and the tips to prevent frequent interruptions. So alright guys, so this is the first thing you have to do to fix this issue. So just go to settings and just try to find focus and tap on it. You can see here, and you can see the do not disturb one option is there, so you can just tap on it. Yes, and you can see there are two options you will get here. You will get notifications from the people and the apps also, but for me I am getting notification from the person which I already added this guy, so I am getting a still notification. So you won't get notification. So if you don't want to get notification, just remove this person. Okay, so I have successfully removed. So now you won't get any notification after say DND mode is on. Also you can see here allow repeated calls. So you can just read here what they mention. A second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. I am just repeating once again. Allow repeated calls. A second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. So guys, if you don't want this also, just go for turn off. Yeah. So guys, now here you go. So guys, thanks for today. If you like my video, please like, share it and subscribe it.